video. Mr. Shedrack is on the line. Good afternoon, good evening, and good day, good morning, whatever you're watching or this training and this presentation. So it's Mr. Shedrack on the line, and this is Legit Calvi's online channel, a place where we teach you ethical online and information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor, do us a favor by hitting the subscription button, like and share this video so that whenever a video that is released, you'll be first to be notified. This video or this presentation is just a very quick one, and I'm going to inform you about the Bitcoin halving, which is going to take place any moment from now. So Bitcoin block reward will decrease from 6.25 used to be now to 3.125 coins in approximately, and the time for the long is almost counting down. You can see it, the Bitcoin halving countdown is there, is live and kicking, and it is 1,298 days and then some hours. Okay, the current block at the 6,565.53. I beg your pardon. The current block is at 653.026, and then the Bitcoin halving at block this will be reduced at the launch of the Bitcoin halving countdown, and the estimate launch is at say May 2014. A lot of information about Bitcoin halving has been going on the internet, and I'm just here to present to you the latest so that you understand that this event is happening live and direct. Okay, what is Bitcoin halving is all about? Bitcoin halving is the new event where the number of generated Bitcoin reward per block will be halved, that it will be divided into two. That's exactly what it means. In this upcoming halving, the total number of Bitcoin mined by miners per block will be reduced from what? 6.25 to 3.125. That's exactly what is going to happen. Now, this halving event takes place approximately every 4 years. Are you getting it? So we're looking at the countdown to happen in the next couple of days or months. Okay, now why is it important? Bitcoin monetary policy helps ensure a gradual distribution of 21 million Bitcoin, because in a total of Bitcoin circulation supposed to be 21 million. So but since Bitcoin has already achieved that milestone, so you have to go into what's called halving, so they're able to reduce the block and also create more avenue for miners to actually Bitcoin to be able to be mined using the miner network. Okay, now the supply of gold is limited to the amount that will be mined from Earth, and over a period of time becomes scarce. The halving event is one of the methods that is used to replicate Bitcoin's scarcity. As such, it can be said that Bitcoin is deflationary currency and may be an interesting asset class to hedge against inflation. Now, Bitcoin halving charts, you can see the chart here. But what happens as we get closer to the halving event? Due to the reduced supply of new coins, Bitcoin might be demanded to be scarce by some market participants. Traders may also enter the market to speculate on Bitcoin, as such introducing higher volatility during that time. However, some suggested that halving is already priced into Bitcoin. So what it means is that the volatility of Bitcoin, which took place last week precisely, is as a result of some speculations about Bitcoin ups and downs. So these speculations create what we call volatility. That is instability of Bitcoin price. You can see sometimes Bitcoin price may jump from 1% to 500% in a month. This is just what we call volatility. After it now go into what we call price corrections. We are going to be looking at some of these sensitive topics in this channel, so that's why it is very good. Do me a favor, do us a favor by hitting the subscription button. Whenever a video like this will be released, you'll be notified on time. Okay, now when is the next halving? The block, which is 840000, estimated around May 24th, 2024, will be halved. Okay, the current price of BTC, you can see it here. Are you getting it? So what am I trying to present this presentation for you is for you to be aware that anytime you see that Bitcoin price will increase drastically, because the speculation here is that once the miners are being reduced, as in the reward of Bitcoin in the block are being reduced, you can see it's from 12 to 6.125. Now, if it is being further reduced, it means the scarcity of Bitcoin will be there. It means that the price of Bitcoin can even be up to $100,000 per BTC. So, and one thing about me as a presenter and advocate of a cryptocurrency is that as far as the Bitcoin price are increasing, that also attributes to other altcoins in the market. So what am I trying to say is that it's not a must if you invest in Bitcoin. You can invest in other altcoins, and of course you also may make money, because when the market is up by Bitcoin, other altcoins market will also follow suit in the process. So I thank you. Subscribe to this channel, hit the subscription button, like, share this video, and of course educate someone that is not aware of this knowledge. I remain your host, Mr. Shadrach. See you at the top. I don't want to see you at the bottom.